Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Drew Wild. Today we are talking about when they forget my sauce, so now I gotta say the whole order was missing. Doordash customer says he complains over small inconvenience to get food comped, sparking debate. And it looks like we have another customer abusing the refund policy so that way they can get a free order. They could have just said, hey, they forgot my sauce and I wanted a refund for the sauce, even if they probably weren't even charged for the sauce. But now they say the whole order is missing because that's the kind of scum they are. So in this video, I want to talk about everything that's being said in this article, how it actually is for DoorDash customers, drivers on all platforms, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A common scam pulled by DoorDash customers is complaining over the slightest inconvenience in hopes of receiving a refund from the food ordering platform. In a video with over 3.2 million views, a TikToker, Jordan at Jordankeeling, joked about doing just that in writing. And I ordered DoorDash and ate all my food, but they forgot my straw, so now I gotta lie and do the most. The things you do for content, huh? I'm gonna leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. But this is exactly why good customers who actually are missing legitimate items don't get refunds, because of scumbags like this. When you game the system too much, you have to actually be totally denied from any refund. And honestly, I would actually just cancel this person's DoorDash account outright, because you know this person not only tried to get a refund, but they rated the driver 1 star and now they're just being treated like absolute garbage. In the caption he added, "My food never even came and I needed my money back." But you just said you ate all your food. You're just lying now? Which is it? You ate all your food and they forgot a straw, or your food never came and you need your money back? This is why your account needs to be deactivated. This isn't the first time such a scam has gone viral. Back in December, a user on TikTok claimed that they looked for the smallest error in their order to get credits on the app. I actually made a video talking about that entire incident. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. In the comment section, some users claimed that they've performed this or a similar scam themselves. If they forgot a sauce I paid 50 cents extra for, they compensated for the whole meal, wrote one user. There are certain meals that don't hit right unless you got the sauce. I mean, I know you're right in a certain extent, like you don't get wings without ranch, or you don't get a hot dog without mustard or things like that, but still, you don't scam the whole company. You just have a few of those sauces on hand at home. Like one time I got wings and they didn't give me blue cheese or ranch. I have blue cheese just in case that happens. No, because today Starbucks actually forgot my food items and I've scammed DoorDash so much they wouldn't give me a refund alleged a second. You see, this is my point. When things actually happen, you don't get a refund. That's your own damn fault. When they deliver to the wrong building, I go get my food and then say I never received it because technically I didn't stay at a third. Okay, the driver should have delivered it to the right place, but if you're gonna just go get it, that doesn't mean you scam the company. Come on. Either get the refund for not getting it or get your food. Although I wouldn't say you shouldn't hit that thumbs down button or give them a 1 star for that because they kind of deserve it. However, several users warned against the practice. Don't do this. For one, they could lose their job, or two, it's not even the Dasher's fault. It's the place you ordered from, explained a user. Yeah, you see, that is another good point, because the driver's going to receive the blame for that. They're going to end up giving the driver a contract violation saying the order never arrived or something to that effect. And here we are doing our jobs, making sure that everything is done right, and you gotta go be that kind of customer. As a DoorDash driver, they let us dispute y'all's refund requests, so if we have proof, which I always take a picture, and it saves to my camera roll, share it another. Yet, you gotta make sure you're taking those contactless delivery pictures. You also want to make sure when you're doing those contactless delivery pictures, you get a shot of their address number as well, so that way you're protected. That said, a few users claimed that the prevalence of this scam has made it difficult for them to genuinely receive refunds, echoing a viral claim from a TikToker in February. I actually made a video about that event too. I will leave that in the description. Feel free to check it out. I was missing 2 orders of fries and they put my milkshake in the bag with no lid that was poured out, and they said we can only refund $2.72 alleged to user. So let me get this straight. The order was completely ruined and half of it wasn't even there, assuming half. And you only got $2.72 because morons kept gaming the system? That's ridiculous. I literally tell the truth on there and they think I'm a scammer because I've been refunded so much, detailed another TikToker. They never remember the drink. Okay, but in their defense, that's just as much your fault that is theirs. If you know that it's a constant problem and you keep doing it, you're just falling for the same trap over and over again, expecting a different result. If the area is not good for DoorDash, you shouldn't be ordering from DoorDash. It's just that simple. They told me I couldn't get a refund on an order that literally never came, recounted a further user. Phone support hung up on me and all. Yeah, DoorDash support is known for that. You gotta constantly call them over and over again because that's the kind of scammers they are. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None if you pay me. There you go. Scammers like this, with the amount of things that are happening on all platforms, DoorDash, UberEats, Grubhub, with the amount of times people are asking for refunds and just not getting them, this is why those customers should be absolutely deactivated. It's not, oh, we could just not refund them. We could just not allow these games on the platform and we could just kind of allow them to order but not get a refund as an option anymore. You gotta deactivate them because good customers end up getting a lack of refund because of it. Which is sad because we know that these customers are gonna say the order never arrived. We're still gonna get the contract violation. They're not gonna get the refund, and we're just trying to make ends meet at this point. They're just trying to get their food delivered, and it's all because of scumbags like this, that this situation is a thing to begin with. All in all, these customers need to be deactivated from the platform. Good customers need to actually get the refunds they actually deserve. And DoorDash drivers need to stop playing games with the customers' food too, because it's just as much the scum drivers as it is the scum customers. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!